Welcome back to another video. Today we will discuss top 7 new Aprilia motorcycles for 2024. Number 7, Aprilia RS 457. The new Aprilia RS 457 is based on the Aprilia RS 660 and has a parallel twin liquid-cooled engine that is probably 457 cc in size. According to the Italian manufacturer, a 350 lb bike with a DOHC 4-valve per cylinder engine can produce 47 horsepower. It has 3 ride modes that modify power, torque, and traction control intervention. It is equipped with throttle-by-wire. An optional up-down quick shifter is offered. The engine serves as a strained part of the chassis in the aluminum-framed RS 457. Its suspension consists of a 5.1-inch travel rear shock and a 41 mm fork with 4.7 inches of travel, both of which may be preloaded. Bibare manufactures the braking components. A 320 mm disc is pinched in front by a single radial mount 4-piston caliper. Number 6, Aprilia SX125. The 2024 Aprilia SX125 is a dual-purpose motorbike designed in the supermoto style. It quickly discovered a vacuum in the market, which was previously crowded with Lerner Legal Enduro and Supermoto 125 motorcycles. In contrast to other well-known brands that have turned their focus to race representatives and naked motorcycles, Aprilia filled this gap. The fuel-injected 4-stroke single-cylinder engine of the RS 125, which is housed in a steel double-cradle chassis, is shared by the SX 125 and the Enduro RX 125. With its edgy appearance, ABS and inverted forks, the SX 125 delivers excellent value at a reasonable price. Number 5, Aprilia Tuono 660. The bike that successfully bridges the gap between sportiness and practicality is the 2024 Aprilia Tuono 660. It is a naked sport bike, which means that it offers a more comfortable riding experience without sacrificing the aggressive flair of its sport bike heritage. The design, with its understated headlamps and tastefully designed fairings, finds a balance between performance and grace. The Tuono impressed me with a respectable level of comfort, despite my initial doubts, in part because of its broad handlebars and excellent seat. The pillion seat, though, might use some work. All things considered, the Tuono 660 is a strong option for riders looking for a combination of strength, style, and technology. Number 4, Aprilia RS 660. For track fans, the factory-built Aprilia RS 660 Trofeo was created in 2024. It cost $21,000 and comes with almost everything required for club races or professional paddocks. The lightweight, easily detachable matte black Cruciata racing bodywork on the Trofeo is suitable for racing use. Crucial parts from Italian company Spider Racing include adjustable rear sets, crash protection, lever guards, quick-release fuel caps, and real clip-ons. The suspension consists of an Öhlins AP 948 shock and fully adjustable Andreani fork cartridges. With a claimed 105 horsepower from a race-spec Magneti Marelli ECU, this 337-pound vehicle is a formidable track weapon. The factory switchgear is replaced with chunky track-spec buttons, but the gorgeous full-color TFT dash keeps its OEM functionality. Number 3, Aprilia Tuareg 660. The legendary rally raid tradition of the Aprilia Tuareg 660 serves as inspiration for its design, which is intended to accomplish the most demanding off-road adventures. It has an even more aggressive and daring appearance for 2024, with 3 new color schemes that highlight its off-road prowess and irrepressible spirit. The red border and the new color scheme highlight the Tuareg's ancestry in racing. With a dry weight of only 187 kilograms, the Tuareg 660 is the lightest adventure bike on the market. With an 18-liter gasoline tank, it can handle both little and big adventures. The bike has cutting-edge technology, with 4 rider customizable modes, 240mm of travel for the off-road suspension, and a 5-inch TFT dashboard that shows key information. Number 2, Aprilia Tuono V4 1100. The Aprilia Tuono V4 1100, Factory 2024, is the epitome of unrestricted sport bike engineering, combining racer spirit with unrestricted performance. This bike provides an exciting surge of power whether you're rushing down a straight or cutting through a bend, thanks to its strong 1077cc V4 engine. With cutting-edge technology like traction control and cornering ABS, it provides a safe and exhilarating ride that adapts naturally to the rider's preferences. With race-derived parts from its track-bred sibling, the RSV4, it has Brembo brakes, lightweight forged wheels, and Öhlins suspension for unmatched performance. The strong lines and sparse windscreen of the Tuono's aerodynamic design create the ideal blend of style and utility. Number 1, Aprilia RSV4 1100. A monument to superbike perfection, the 2024 Aprilia RSV4 Factory 1100 has a 1099cc engine producing 217 horsepower for exhilarating speed and restrained ferocity. Its incorporated aerodynamic winglets increase downforce and stability, which are crucial for handling turns with ease. Strong acceleration is made possible by the increased torque, particularly when accelerating out of corners, and the distinctive chassis delivers unmatched handling. Its contoured design is aerodynamically efficient and visually aggressive. It guarantees a riding experience that puts the rider in complete control, making it the ideal track dominator thanks to its sophisticated electronics and adjustable riding modes.